Hello and welcome back to our SOLIDWORKS tutorial series. In this lecture, we are going to see how to use the jog feature in the SOLIDWORKS environment. It is a very handy tool and jog feature is used where normal edge flange and meter flange fails. It basically the name tells us that a jog we can create a edge anywhere we want at any angle. So it does not mean that the edge there is a ending point of that part. We can create a sketch there at the center of the part and we can create a bend from there. So let's start exploring and stop talking. By clicking on top plane and clicking on sketch, let's just create a rectangle, and here we have created a rectangle. Let's say the dimension here is 100 into 100 mm. Let's say not 100, 100 into 120, so something of a rectangle. By exiting the sketch, you see, going to sheet metal, clicking on base flange tab and giving the thickness of, let's say, 1 mm, we have created something like this. Meter flange will help us in creating the outer boundaries of the sheet metal part now, but jog feature will help us create a edge at the center at anywhere we want in the this part. Let's say I click on top plane and I just create here the sketch like something like this here. Okay, so now you see that I exit the sketch and I click on now jog feature. Now it is asking for a sketch, and if asking if a sketch is not creating, then I will select the face and I will start sketching. Let's say I have done the sketch. Now I have clicked the sketch. Now it is asking for a fixed face. That means if I select this face, then this part on the other side of the edge will be after some height. Let's say I click on this. You see here I click the default radius of 0.7 mm, and height we gave is 5 and wait, sorry, I guess we have not designed the sketch there. By clicking on the sketch, and now if we do something of like this, now exiting the sketch, now you see it is necessary to use a sketch on that face where we want the edge. So now you see I created a sketch here, but if I don't want it to be and like here, like I just drag it down there more, and I click on jog and I click on this sketch and I click on this plane. You see now again that with the help of meter flange and flange is what not possible. We first have to cut this face into this angle, and then we'll have to create an edge, then we'll have to create another edge, and we'll have to cut that part also. That is a 3 steps, but with the help of a jog we can create in only one. So let's start discussing what the jog feature offers us. So there is a height, we can change the height, we can change the position means that the height calculated from where point. That shows like in the icon, it shows that there is a the dimension will be from the bottom upper edge to the top edge, and this here is from the bottom top edge and the top bottom radius, bottom edge we can say also. And here is third part is tells us that the distance is from the bottom edge to top edge. That is one extreme to another extreme. So and the last is again the same, like we can change the material inside, we can change the material outside, we can change the material and the radius outside. So now the major part here is angle. Currently the angle is 90 degree. You see it is straight. If I click on check, you see that it is currently straight. We don't want it to be straight, we want it to be to angle. Let's get, now you see I am increasing the angle, yeah, like this. Now you see how complex the part has been created only using one feature. If I don't want to go that direction, I will just click on minus. No, sorry, we cannot do here minus. We just have to move backward 90 degree. And if I increase the angle, you see here, the edge cannot move away from that extreme edge. So that's why you see something like this has been created with the help of a jog feature. It is a very handy tool and it's used commonly. So thank you so much for watching this video and follow for more.